Let us now use the substract icon. In order to use the substract, let me create another extrude or another body. I will hide the datum planes except datum 2. Use extrude command. Select sketch section. Select the datum plane where the sketch needs to be created. Click OK. I'm going to use the arc. We are going to use arc by center and endpoints. Select the center. Select the radius as 5 and create the arc. Use line to join these ends. Click OK to finish the sketch. Here we will select symmetric value and take the value as 35 mm. Click OK to exit the extrude feature. I'm going to hide the datum plane. We have two bodies now. We are going to subtract one from the other. So the body which we retain, we'll keep it as the target. For the tool, we will select the new extrude feature we have created. As you can see, this feature has been removed from the main body. Click OK, exit.